Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video we have 91 squared, and I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest trick you can find on the internet to solve this question. Our first digit is 9. We take 9 and take the square of 9 to get 81. We have 1. 1 also gives us a square of 01, or simply 1. We combine 81 and 01. What do we do next? We multiply 9 by 1 and by the exponent. So now we are going to get 9 times 1, giving us 9 times the exponent 2, which is the product of 18. Now we have 18 and we add a 0 at the end and sum it up. 0 plus 1 gives us 1, 0 plus 8 gives us 8, 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 8 is maintained. So 91 squared is nothing else but 8,281. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.